Hey guys, Alice Pins up here, and right now, I'm gonna show you some of my original characters. I'm not gonna explain them. I'm just gonna show them some drawings and some work in progress drawings of some other original characters. So, let's go on with this. I'm just sitting down a bit. So here we have my original character, Fudge. She is based off of like a chocolate fudge cake. I know there's some like red, but the thing was brown. But it ended up turning like this dark red blood color. But it doesn't really look like that. It fits. It fits well. And I love how I did the wings. They're adorable. Yeah, these just at the bottom to show the colors I used. And I'm kind of like making like different kind of series things. So, I'm just calling the one where she's in a different. Most of these are from different. Next is Socks. He's kind of like, I don't really know. He has like different kinds of eyes, which is really cool. I guess in all he has 8 eyes. Because there's 4 here. He's kind of like that one that's always scared and worried. And I really like him. He's cute. I feel like I have like this kind of eye, and then this eye, that eye. I like how he turned out. He's cute. All these also from different. Next is also from different. His name is Rattles. He is like a cat rattlesnake combo, and I think he's really cool. And then Starry. Oh man, I already have like ideas for like their backstories, like hers. I don't know if you can tell, but she's crazy. Yeah, I think she's really cool. Next is Cleopatra, who's Rattles' sister. Yeah, I think she turned out really nice too. So yeah, so far all the ones here have been. Oh, baby, are you okay? You alright? You alright there? Oh my god. You are so... You alright? You just started sneezing all crazy like. I love you, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Nom. Nah. Anyways, to continue after that. Here is one of my other clear Spot. He's actually one of the somewhat normal people. Yeah. It's also from different. To be honest, I made this one while my friend was playing Undertale when she was in Snowden, and I just had a winter mood in my head because of the music. So we're gonna give him a little scarf. He's adorable. Next is Button. Oh, I have a backstory for her. And I could tell she's like all stitched up and stuff and starving. And I'll tell more about that in the future Hey Cook goals. Next is Radio, or Prince Radio. I have some ideas on like kind of like thing with him too. And then next is Troy. Oh man, he also has a backstory. I haven't done like everyone's backstory in my head yet. I had some like his I'm getting into. Next is Jake. He is actually Radio's dad. He looks really cool. I like how he turned out. Next is Princess Opal, who is Radio's mom. And she's really pretty. I like how she turned out. So you see how it's like the the little gem on, oh my god, a little gem on her crown is 3 colors. It's because I had to look up on Google like opals and stuff, so I get a reference. Anyway, next is Kathy. She is Starry's mom. Yeah. Next is Ruby or Roby. Puns! Already, like, I also kind of having started developing a backstory for her. Next is Cairo. I know it's like said Chiro. It's not pronounced Chiro, it's Cairo. She's, you could see, hairless. Because why not? Next is Freckles. He is so tiny, and I love him. Next is Lily. I love how she turned out too. Whether she's a lynx, if you can't really tell by some things, I don't know. Coco. It's a horse. She's beautiful. And then Frankie. I heard explosion. Okay. Now to get into the work in progress ones. This is Carlos. Say hello, Carlos. I don't know. And it's Carlos's. Yeah. Frick. Also, I noticed how these two kind of look similar. Well, I mean, like the patterns of their first stuff, because they're gonna be like kind of like twin brothers, except one of them is older. This is older. They're brothers. Next is a drawing I made for my dad. Hi, go home. It's giraffe. And practicing for reasons. And then different. This is Oak or Button. Like before she was Button. Like this is what she looked like. Work in progress. And then another original character making. The lab. So I'm calling it, his name is Cow. And then this is a drawing, just so working on a drawing. That's the date today. And I'm drawing a kitty. Because today I went to go look at stuff at Petco and I found a little kitty. And I wish I could have him. And he's so cute! Alright, thanks for watching. KK, bye bye.